As the sun starts to rise, I get the vibe that it's a great day to go outside, enjoy some nature, and go on an adventure. I grab my bib and jersey and get ready to hit the road. I never knew just how comfortable these actually were until I first tried my first pair on. Afterwards, I make my way down to grab a quick bite and fill my water with electrolytes. These help ensure that you stay hydrated and help your muscles recover after any sort of physical activity. Once my tires are checked and the bike is all set up, we're ready to hit the road. Over the past couple of months, I've spent my time exploring the B&O Trail and checking out all that it has to offer. In today's video, we are going to be going on a 25-mile trek along B&O's Trail, which will take us through Brownsburg up to Speedway, Indiana, which is also home of the Indy 500. After we enjoyed some fields on the back roads, we were eventually arriving at the entrance of the B&O Trail.
Alright y'all, so we have made it to the iconic Homeward statue by David Vitacnik, installed 2025, and it features a rail trail with a birdhouse with stairs leading up to it, coming up to a bird at the top. Time to get on the road. So getting into it, what is the B&O Trail? Well, it was built in the 1800s for a railroad track coming from Springfield, Illinois down to Baltimore. In the late 1900s, they ended up getting rid of the rail trail. The community came together, and a select few people, which will be mentioned later on, came out to help build this paved trail for people within the community to come out, walk, bike, skateboard, roller skate, you name it. The trail's here for it. I love them because, one, we're surrounded by trees, sun's coming up, and yeah, man, it's just nice to take in nature. You got a paved trail, so you don't got to worry about like if you were hiking in the woods or something. And yeah, it's just really, ever since that, biking across the US, I've just fell in love with them. Like, it's so much better than going on the sidewalk or the road for that matter. Which is the cool thing about this, because if you have a road bike, I know some people don't like riding on the sidewalks, but this ensures that you're staying out of the driving traffic, and you don't gotta worry about your bike getting messed up. I mean, there's sticks every once in a while, but you just gotta maneuver through them, Not too hard. All right, y'all, coming up on this bridge. I am gonna stop up here, show you guys a cool little spot, but it comes down and then it has these two little awning points, and depending on which side you go, there is beautiful view. What we are about to come up to is a new addition put in by Brownsburg's Parks and Rec, and it features a miniature museum for the history of the B&O Trail. We have the Iron Bridge plaque, Union Bridge, Athens, PA, 1895. Next we have the telephone hut, which I think is pretty freaking cool. Used on like trains and stuff. Then next we got the whistle post. Alright y'all, so another cool thing, it has these markers. Cincinnati, Ohio, 138 miles, and Springfield, Illinois, 181 miles. We are currently at the 138 mark, and it also has this cool little sign which just talks about the B&O Trail, shows you where you're going. And yeah, I mean, it spans for hundreds and hundreds of miles. Brownsburg's little section, I believe, is 8.6. Alright y'all, so one thing that is cool is it has these little markers letting you know like what plate you're passing, what tree it is. And this is the black cherry tree. Man, that sun's coming up. That's one thing that's cool about the morning. With it being summer, it's super hot throughout the day, but I don't know, these mornings, bro, it's nice and chill. It's like fall time. So, not sweating too much. Enjoying the sunrise and taking in all this beautiful think that I'm welded on this as well. I was saying glitches out here. But if you have the list, it's got like an Indy 500 tribute, which I think is pretty cool. Got another racer on the side. It's this one, miniatures, floral artwork on the ceiling, on the sides. All right, y'all, so we're coming up to this park, and one thing that I love to do as we're passing by is it has these little paintings on the side. And I just like to weave in between them. On the way back, it's much difficult than that, especially when you're going like miles per hour. So something else has another one of these B&O Trail markers. Still showing where you are, but this time it features Ronald Reagan and the O'Reilly Raceway Park. Pretty cool. Yeah, we made it 5 miles down that way on the trail. At least we still had an extra 2 getting to the trail, but I don't know, we're just out here having a good time. Show you guys like a daily ride that I typically do. So yeah, let's get it. Got the hawk right there. Beautiful artwork on the inside. I mean, both sides are just covered. I don't know if this is gonna pick it up well for you guys, but if you're ever in the area, definitely take a ride on the B&O Trail. So another cool thing, we are coming up on this bridge, but pull off on the side. And if you ever get tired, just want to take a break, just make your way down here. And it leads out to a nice little creek. Stream's going a little bit, so it must have rained somewhat. But yeah, just make your way over here. Don't worry, there's no poison ivy. At least I haven't caught any from here. And yeah, you just want to maneuver your way through these rocks. And you come down. Yeah, so typically when it rains, the creek actually comes up to about this level, lighting up this log. So the stream is definitely a lot more than that, but it's always nice to come down, just check it out, have a good time, relax, you know. Especially if you're having a long day on the bike, you come out, or if you're just looking to clear your mind. It's a nice little spot. I would not recommend that. But yeah, beautiful creek. Not too sure the name, but I will put it down below. And yeah, haven't done this yet, so we're just gonna do it. But crossing the Jown. We're dry, so yeah, it's from the other side. Cool little view. Got some graffiti. Thanks for the fresh canvas. Now it's time to make it back. I'm gonna make it in 3 jumps. I might eat it, but please still give a laugh. Hopefully I don't though. Hey, yeah, that's how you do it, baby. All right, we are making it back now. Back on the trail. Typically I stay down there for a good like 30 minutes or something, but with it being a nice, beautiful day and I'm out here feeling good, might as well just keep going. Coming up, we have a nice little memorial type thing. Which talks about the trail work and also goes into what these pillars are for. Adjacent landowner to B&O Trail, BOTA Secretary Master of Ceremonies, and tireless trail advocate and organizer. And you come around, encourager to friends, family, and coworkers, philanthropist, angelic, professional cook and food presenter, business leader and manager, home and garden decorator. And this is the plaque showing all the accomplishments and memory that they wanted to leave at this spot. So pretty cool. It's Diane Lynn from Vonnegut, March 24th, 1954, September 2nd, 2005. Rest in peace. And yeah, back on the trail we go. So some more bushcraft for you guys. These trees right here are actually mulberry trees, which it doesn't look like. Looks like they've already might have been picked, but I don't know. It's a nice little fruit if you're ever stranded in the Midwestern area. You're more than likely to find these. It's like a raspberry, sweet and sour type thing. Pretty good actually. I met a guy a couple months back. I believe his name was Cal, and he put me on them. I mean, they were. It's pretty good. Yeah. All right, y'all. Speaking of rail trails, we are coming up upon an actual railroad bridge, and yeah, CSX railroad property. Nice little tunnel view. Reminds me of the bridge in West Virginia. And something else, you typically have to cross this road, but that's going to bring us into Speedway. So I mean, it should be good. Yeah, I think we got 2 more bridges. We're gonna be there. I mean, we're already over 10 miles in, so we're here, baby. All right, y'all. We have made it to the bridge. Yes, sir. Now, while there isn't necessarily artwork in here at the moment, it is all covered up with the exception of welcome to Speedway. We made it. So we're gonna come down here, turn around. Actually perfect timing because the GoPro's running low on battery, but yeah, turn around, make our way back. That should bring us to the 25-mile mark, and then I will get into the circle. You guys saw that, didn't you? All right, man. Well, yeah, anyways. I tried so far and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. Hey, yeah, we're making our way back. Should bring us to the 25-mile mark. I mean, we're all good. Stuff happens, you know. But yeah, I have some exciting news planned for the month of August. You're gonna see a different type of future endeavor, which should be good. And yeah, we'll just go from there. I mean, I got a whole bunch of stuff planned. Like always, if you guys like these videos and you want to follow along future endeavors, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Comment any questions or concerns down below, and leave a like if you want to see more content like this.